everyone! Today I will introduce you to a pulse welding machine. It is mainly used for welding FPC and PCB. This machine adopts a turntable type station operation. Therefore, when welding on one side, the other side can take and place the product. It equipped with a vacuum function, making alignment adjustment easier. And the heating rate is adjustable to sight different products. By using CCD High Definition Vision System, it can achieve high precision welding. If you are interested in it, please feel free to contact us at any time. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time.